we can bounce into ClickUp. So ClickUp's, essential building blocks, the hierarchy with the space, folders, and if I expand folders, there are lists.
Mhm.
This natural setup, so this hierarchy structure that ClickUp has around is extremely flexible. So if we have a Scrum team from a small startup, then they could open up a space and have all of these characteristics per product. If we are running an Agile train, so if we're implementing scaled Agile, safe, and we have 5, 10, 30 different Scrum teams, then we'll have an entirely different build on the sidebar, but it's extremely flexible and it's really easy to navigate. Unlike Jira, where we have backlog, product, it's less flexible in Jira. It's less customizable and it's a little harder to just navigate and to see everything the way ClickUp's sidebar expands, opens and closes. So for views, like I mentioned, we have at the space. So I always liken this to like a glass bottom boat. If you look down, you see everything in that space. So I see every folder, every list, every task, and I can just scroll through those. If I come to the folder, so this folder is just, our Agile ceremonies, then I'll only see the items that are in this folder. So it's easy to navigate between the different layers of the hierarchy to see as much as you want. If you are product owner or the scrum master, you need to see everything, or maybe you're just a developer and we can really focus what is shown on the view. So you have no distractions and you're completely focused, which is extremely important in software development and Scrum to be focused.